How to install WP-CLI? WP-CLI is a command line interface that allows you to manage WordPress from the command line. Usually the hosting providers have it installed, but if you don't have it or somehow can't access it, you can install it locally. You need to go to wp-cli.org, scroll down, and you should see a download link. If you're on Linux or Mac, you can copy this and paste it to download it. Then you need to make this file executable. Ideally, you need to just rename it to WP. And you should be able to call it like this. But since it's in the current folder, you need to put dot and slash and then info. It's going to give you some information about PHP that's installed and where it saves its cache stuff and so on.